Hi, Katrina Madewell here. And if you listen to Tampa Home Talk, you already know that we covered a show that talks all about this report. A remodeling impact report tells you which improvements on your home will give you the highest return on investment. Now, I picked out 3 solid ones from this report that are worth mentioning, and they are at the top of the list to get the return on your investment. I think they'll be really helpful for you right now. Interior paint. This is going to give you a huge return on investment, not only if you're looking to sell your home, but according to this report, it also has a 10 on the joy score in terms of enjoyment after you make that improvement in your home and you love living there. Number 2, wood flooring. So if you have existing wood flooring, refinish those wood floors or put in brand new hardwood floors. That had a huge return on investment. According to this report, it was number 1 on the list at 147% return on your investment. Last but not least, number 3, an insulation upgrade. Now, we did a show a few weeks ago on Tampa Home Talk talking about this brand new insulation that you can actually put in yourself. I'm not talking about the blown insulation, although that is a fantastic option and return on your investment. You might want to consider this additional option on top of blown-in insulation. It's proven to save 23% on your energy cost according to the manufacturer, and all the information is right here in the link below. I'm Katrina Madewell. Thanks so much for enjoying the video today. Have a good one.